Hello everybody, it's Johnny Adamson with the Pampered Chef, and I'm coming to you from my kitchen again. I am actually prepping the onions, carrots, and grapes for the citrus wraps tonight. So, just want to talk to you a little bit about our professional cutlery. This is our 10-inch professional chef's knife. It is triple forged stainless steel, one construction piece from tip to tine, balanced for a weighted handle so that it's not just top heavy and everything. I'm going to show you the correct way to use a knife. To grip a knife, you grab it, put your pointer finger on one side, your thumb on the other, and then wrap the 3 remaining fingers around it like this in a grip. Can you see that? Alright. Now I'm going to use the claw method over here to cut these. I'm cutting green onions. Can you see these? There are 2 scallions right here, and I'm cutting them. I want to cut them into about 1/4 inch slices. And the claw allows me to keep my fingers out of the way, but yet move the food forward into the cutting area of the knife. And I'm using a rocking motion to cut these at the right width. I'm going to just cut these and set them aside. Then I'm going to peel a carrot using our julienne peeler, and then I'm going to cut the carrot strips into pieces, and then I'm going to cut some grapes in half using our closing cut. This takes a little bit of time to get used to cutting this way. So I'm not a pro at it yet, but I'm working on it. And I think we're pretty close to being where we need to be as far as the onions are cut. So I'm going to set these aside over here on the cutting board. Get my trash into my trash can. And I'm going to take my julienne peeler and start peeling my carrot. The julienne peeler, I don't know if you can see this or not, it has serrated edges and blades that actually cut the carrot into thin strips as it peels it. So I'm going to start with it, right? Well, I'm going to start with it. There you go. I'm going to peel it mostly first. And then I'm going to cut it into strips with a julienne peeler. Like I said, I'm mostly peeling it first. Then I'm going to julienne it. This is all trash. This is the peels. Then I'm going to turn it around and use it the other way to cut, I believe. Okay. And I think we probably have just about enough carrots for tonight. We just want some carrot taste in our wraps as an accent. So I'm just going to take these and chop them into some shorter pieces. I'm going to pull them all together, and I'm just going to use our knife and cut them into shorter pieces so that we just have a little bit of carrot, and then I'm going to take our closing cut. This is an excellent piece of product for the kitchen. It is a piece that closes. but it has retractable top and bottom that actually shape around everything we put inside of it. I have a cup of red seedless grapes that I put in here. I'm going to use our color-coded bread knife. You just close this down, and it puts the food in a equal position so that when you slice through it, you should be cutting everything in half. Then I just make one swift cut through. Well, I don't put my blade all the way in there. Okay. And we should have halved grapes. And we do. They're not quite exactly in half, but they work. They'll work. So that's our closing cut and our color-coded bread knife. All of these are great tools to help prepping in the kitchen go a lot faster. I will be back in just a few minutes to finish up the salad dressing and then put all this together. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.